masabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, Diggs Channel. Ito lang masabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang upload, you know. Hi guys, good morning. This is Diggs Channel. Come back to my channel. So, the customer is complained why if they have a sounds of like humming sounds like that one. They have a problem. Even hams, little hams make they have a sounds. And also they have a complete this one, they also vibration and also brake squeaking. So I will check this one. I make it hang. What is the problem? So I show you to what is the cause of the problem. I diagnose this one. So number one, the complaint is hums. You know hums like if go to a rough road or even not rough road, but if they have something like that one. So I see the front shock absorber is damaged, this one. Okay, this is the cause. Front shock absorber, both side, left side and right side, they have a problem. So this is the causes of they have sounds not good. So now, so this one, the second is the brake. The brake it's not good. So they have a vibration. They have a like squeak like this one. So the sound it's not. The brake pad is not good. So you see the thickness, it's not good. So also the back side. So the back side I will see not good also. So this one, the thickness is not good. So need to replacing and also need to change the brake pads both side. Okay, that's why this one, this is this unit. Okay, this is the cause. Both sides need to change front and rear brake pads and shock absorber. So if you see this one, not good. So this is Diggs Channel. If you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel, Diggs Channel. So they have technical info, latest update of Mitsubishi exclusive. So this is Diggs Channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have a new viewers, click the notification bell and click the all so that very easy the technical info of Diggs Channel, the Mitsubishi. This Diggs, salute, approve. This is Diggs. This is my channel. You know.